Oh, that's where they went into right there. That door.
No one's here except that guy that was showing me the phone. He ain't coming out on a 1-on-3 situation. He's staying there. He's staying put. Hey, there he is.
Is that him?
That's him.
Smile.
What do you guys need? That's the guy right there.
Is that him?
That's him. Hey, call Mike and say we got him. What do you guys need?
Go away, sloppy seconds.
We know what you did, bitch.
Single time with the police to cut me out. He's not having any.
Great going, SVD. Thanks, dude. The beard scared him away? God damn. Right there gets it.
You guys are allowed to film, but you gotta get out of the road. That's the thing. You can't walk in the road, okay?
And you scoot over this way, you're in the middle of the road.
Thank you.
Says the guy's blocking the road.
Well, we're looking for you.
Oh, I didn't see you looking for anything.
Where's that?
What's the one with the gang?
What do you pretty boys want?
Do me a favor, stay out of the road, please.
Do me a favor.
Yeah, this guy.
Thank you.
These guys are having them another claw back here. I don't do take favors, by the way, in case you're wondering. What's the problem if we wear those on?
They're over here blocking the road, talking about don't block the road. Get out of the street.
Do me a favor, don't violate people's rights. Don't
You
be
guys are definitely not America's finest.
yeah, don't be a piece of shit.
Just get back in your car and go away, man.
I thought I wanted a selfie with us.
Yeah, he wanted to take a little picture.
You
What
can
a
ask your wife
crybaby.
for my picture. She has it. I'm
You later,
naked,
pretty
but
boy.
you can get it.
There they go, there they go. They were looking for us. They were just right here blocking the road.
Yeah, who do the cops call when they get scared? They call other cops instead of handling it themselves. You saw the guy in the Beamer, right? The guy that got all scared when we filmed him in the parking lot? Hey, look, here's some more.
That was him, huh?
Yeah, this is the scared guy.
This one?
Yeah. Uh-oh. This is the scared one, see? Now he's tough because he's got backup. Get the fuck out of here, little bitch.
See you later, bitch boy!
Back from where you came. See you later, fuck boy.
Hey, look, they're blocking the road again. Hey, they're blocking the road again. Hey, you're blocking the road. Stay out of the road.
This is Sparta.
Get in your car and get out of the road. Don't block the road. This is not an emergency. Do not abuse your authority. You guys are blocking the road, man. Get moving. What's the emergency?
Stop blocking the road. Move it. You guys doing okay?
What's the emergency?
There's no emergency.
You're only supposed to block the road and use your emergency lights in case there's an emergency. What's the emergency here?
You guys need some help with something? I need you to stop blocking the road.
Come on, let's go. Car 9220. No emergency. Blocking the road.
Stop tough, boy. I told you to stop blocking the road, youngster.
This guy, 9257.
I told him to stop blocking the road.
9290.
He doesn't even have his lights on.
Blocking the road.
Look at this fuckboy. Your wife has my picture already. I'm naked in it, but she has it. You don't need another one. Yeah, later, fuckboy.
I'm gonna FOIA request that. See what else you have on that phone.
This child pornography thinks a pig. Stop blocking the road, fuckboy. I'm not going to tell you again. Yeah, it is.
Where is he?
He pulled out right now. It's the cop in front of this one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Look at him swerving all over the place. Go ahead and swerve like that in front of him and see if he doesn't give you a ticket. There we go. CCW is on the way to save these cops. I want to get the code.
Guys, you don't get the code. Back up. There's a code here. You guys can't film it. You need to back
Yeah, you could use your privacy and block it.
Back up, guys.
Don't you know how to do privacy?
That's what we need you to back up.
I'm in public. I can film anything I can see from public. If you want to press the issue, you can call CZR Law. I'll own this place. This guy's going to the nether.
Go cry somewhere else.
Go to your other safe space. I'm sure you got another one. You guys don't get to see the code. I get to see whatever I want from public instead of a bitch. See, I give the pigs no
He's
respect.
taking off.
He's taking off, everyone.
See ya.
He can pull over and take it out.
I'm gonna stay here all night.